A Tesla Model X. This is the one that has the gull wing rear doors, and it's an all aluminum vehicle, and sometimes it gets dented right at the top of this hatch door. This is a retail job where a customer is going to come out and look right at it. You know, they want it perfect. It's not a dealership where they're trying to sell it and they say, hey, make it look good enough. You have to make this right. Aluminum takes torque, lots of it. So my goal now is to really use these openings here. But this Model X is one of the hardest ones to do because of the construction at the top here. You see that hump? What I have to do at some point in this repair, while I'm pushing here at, it's got to be 400 pounds of torque, I have to tap that bubble. When you're tapping down the crown, you can't leave a mark. All right, all done with this Tesla Model X. Customer's kind of testing out the lights. Let's take a look at my repair. So it was right, you can kind of see on this side, the clear kind of split from the impact, so that was where the dent was. And if you look underneath that, that's where it was. No polishing, no sanding, just push and tap. Slapping, actually. This is Sal from Dent Experts, the YouTube channel. I work on a lot of Teslas, but this is one of the most challenging when you're working on this very narrow of a Model X.